Okay. Just give a second. So we're live. Let's get this to people. Just my virtual background. Cynthia, how are you? How you doing, Cynthia? I'm getting.
Hi, BK.
Hi.
BT has finished me. BT has shut up my mouth.
Oh boy.
I can't even talk anymore.
Sorry.
Nanodyme, NNDM, that's a good shout, Kamal. Why? Because 3Ds are just about to look like they want to pick up. This one right here, I was looking at this at 7. I can't believe I didn't do anything. At 9, nice at 11. I put my attention elsewhere. I was looking at this as well. I've got to say for the day though, this ZEV is going to be the move out of the day. That's all I'm going to say. ZEV, the move out of the day. FLGC hits, guys. So, yeah, you can tell some people who are in already, they're asking me about the exit. Just give me a second. I love how my thing ends with BT. Right, we're live. Let's get it on. Okay, so what's everyone watching? It's a bit bright in here. Light to a bit dark. Yeah, getting a bit of a glint in my eye from the sun. Choo. So we want to buy into our strength and want this to pull back a little bit. This is very strong. Let's look at BT. I'm actually still looking at BT, funny enough. Cynthia, I think this needs to dump a little bit, but I don't know. I did say it was going to dump at some point. I just needed to dump. Ooh, Nanodyme, NNDM. I think I really do like this. Okay, we need this to dump a little bit as well. FLGC, you left to 14. I thought FLGC had strength, but it did hit today. What were you holding overnight? Actually, I held mine overnight, I think, yeah. FLGC, I did hold FLGC overnight. Kamal, did you hold it overnight?
Yeah. Yes, I had it overnight.
Yeah.
At 12.3.
12.3. Oh, yeah. From 12.3. Interesting. Yeah. A bit of strength here. I could see a bit of dump. It couldn't make up its mind. But let's just deep in further down. Yeah, it's getting a bit tired. You know, you ran very early. It's getting a bit tired. I'm actually still in this. So, you know, you need to let the charts tell you the answers that you want. But yeah, I could see it's going to be tired here, but that's still okay. We'll see. Yeah, this is nothing. This is still strong. So you want to sell into strength. So you know what you want to do is you want to sell when there's still strength. You don't want to be. Don't think you're going to get the top there. So there's still see a little bit of a move here, and yeah, this is just a natural one. It's this is a natural one. This is not the real pump. If you're expecting a pump, SPRT didn't do much. ZEV, I was expecting this to move. It did move at 9. Unfortunately, I couldn't call it early. FSR is going to get a bit tired, guys. I know people will be looking at this, but I think people will be looking at the wrong thing. But this is going to be a good swing, by the way, guys. But it's not time to get in. That's all I'm going to say. It's not time to get in. Good swing, but be patient. That's all I'm going to say. You don't need all this at all. And you literally are still paying for catching this at the bottom. So, but you know, you don't want to be contributing towards someone else's profit. That's all I'm going to tell you. But I'm actually having one eye. I've still got one eye on BTBT for the sake of guys who are interested. Let's just see, just keep one eye on my stocks as well. I need to look at the charts. Right, okay, my FLGC, I'm happy with the 4% growth in one day at the open. Why not get out? I think I'm going to get out of FLGC. Getting up below 14, yeah. I could see a bit of a dump in here. I wasn't looking, I was trying to get ready for the day trading, but that's okay. So, still one eye on BTBT, but yeah, FLGC, I'm happy here with my loot, and I just think it's time to get out. So, let's just have another look, actually. They're not pumping this or anything. I don't think so. Just give me a second. Oh, so far, the earnings so far. Okay. If you're a gambler like me, I'm not a gambler, but if you know, I wouldn't say gamble. Trying to see a modicum of life. That's all I'm trying to see. A modicum of life. I can't see here, guys. Not now. Not now. It looks like it's priming. It's coming. So if you have this, I think you should just take some profit right now. That's all I'm going to say. And be grateful with what you have or for what you have. And that's it. So I've taken my profit anyway. What else are we looking at? I've got a few stocks, you know, with a few sideways action right now. And we shall see.
Sorry, EV that we said we're looking at.
Which one?
This is an entry. ZEV.
ZEV, yeah, ZEV. I was looking at that at 9. So I need this to get tired and come down a little bit now. I need this to come down first. It will get tired. It will get tired. It hasn't got a choice.
Okay.
It's quite funny with 212, even though FLGC is 13.75, 212 is showing 13.59. Isn't that daylight robbery? There you go. BTBT deep is sector related. Yeah, a little bit of sector relationship really, but at the same time, if you realize not all stocks moved yesterday, but this actually moved heavily still. So what you have to understand is that this is actually at the point whereby it actually has been stretched and it just needs to cool off a little bit. I mean, it's been consistently, you know, doing a lot of, you know, climbing every day. So partly sector related, you know, technicals as well. It just has to go through that natural dip phase. And that's just the way it works. Stocks don't celebrate every day. They need to have the time to say, you know what, I'm going to cool off and calm down. And that's what's happening here with BTBT. So it has to cool off a little bit first. Okay, let's see. I need to start going into all crypto-related stocks tanking. Interesting. I'm not really looking at crypto-related stocks, but yeah, that's a good point, Kamal. Just give me a second. Someone just sent me a message and I had to make sure. Oh, not now, not now. Please, 4 o'clock. Thank you. HASI, I'm not sure what's happening here. Okay, it's just about 2%. Oh, so why did someone give me that? Don't know why. This is showing a bit of a relaxed moment right now as well. So let's see. But let's look at FCFT. Ooh. So what's Mara saying? Marathon, and likewise Riot. Mara didn't really tank that much. So Mara still looks like something with a bit of strength in it. Likewise Riot. Yeah, Riot's actually it's gonna end up green at some point today, believe it or not. So I'm not talking about the end of today ending up green, but Mara's gonna go green. So this is just an initial dip, but this is nothing. 0.71 loss in Mara is nothing. This is gonna go in Riot is nothing. This is gonna go green. I don't know when, but give it a few hours, but you will see green in this today. I just don't think it's gonna run. This is just paused right now. So again, remember, before you get into a stock, think about the risk reward. How much can you make? How much can you make? If you're only going to make $1, then you're just wasting your time. Okay. I'm not here to waste my time. If I'm going to make $5, what's the point for me in it? What's in it for me? Okay. SPRT, which I was looking up to, didn't really perform. 7% down. So today is a little bit of a sideways action. I know we will get the odd surprises. And having an eye on BTBT. Okay, I've just got something that's just hit my target. Let's just have a look. What's that? So SPRT 15, is that what told me? Okay. Yeah, like I thought this still has a bit of strength. That's why. The strength is not much. So let's just see. Let's see a confirmed uptrend. I think there's a bit of hope here. A little bit of hope. Cynthia, if you can hear me, don't stress yourself. BTBT will come. Just calm down. Sector focus or sector related, like Kamal confirmed right there. This is still going to move a little bit, okay? But this hasn't really decided if you really want to dump, and you're not going to call 1% a dump. FLGC still want to move. I think there's one of the heavyweights that's got in this sector that's got earnings today, a sister stock, I call it, and I think it will play well based on that. So this one here I was watching, but anyway, let me just go back to my strengths and see what I can find. Okay, someone said, you don't have a choice but to be patient now. So Cynthia, can you talk, please?
Yes, I can talk.
So wait, you made a lot of money and then you lost it all to the markets. You gave it all back to the markets.
I'm learning the hard way.
When we were talking about take profit, you said, no, I'll leave it till Jesus comes. Is that what you're trying to do?
It was until you said it on Sunday that I realized I should have taken my profit.
So even though I was stressing on Sunday, was coming here, leaving here, going to Oshobo. I
didn't notice the profit yesterday. I only checked when it had dropped, and I was hoping it to come up much later.
Okay, yeah, no. Stocks don't always go up; they do come down. That's why some people talk about long term. But give this time, okay. FOGC will behave. Oh, FOGC back to 14. Guys, FOGC is going to behave. So let me just see what PT. I think FOGC at 14 is still good. So what are people doing? Yeah, FOGC is going to be a very slow burner. So we'll look into this at 14, and I'm looking into this 14 to 14.5 or 15. Let me just see. So how much can I make? Okay, so if I'm going in here, %, that's not bad for a day, right? So I'm looking at FOGC for a good 7% earner today. If I'm able to get in a 14, yeah, if I'm able to open my trade at 14, so be patient with this. Let it just confirm the direction where it wants to go. But definitely, it shows it want to go up. Oh God, it's not letting me. Come on, reverse. Don't tell me that was the reverse we had. This is going to move. And this is a very early catch, guys. If you're into this, you're in very early. Oh, see, I told you Riots was going to go green, right? But Riots is not much of a trade for me. Definitely FLGC. Let's just see this. Let's see a confirmation. This is still going to reverse, guys. This is still going to reverse, okay? BTBT will come back. So if anybody wants to catch BTBT day trade, I think you'll be able to catch this right here. So Sandra, this is the interesting thing about trading. Can you hear me? I want you to talk to me. So don't be angry. Sandra? I mean, Cynthia. Why do I always call you Sandra? Thank you for not listening. Thank you for keeping quiet. Cynthia, well done. Thank you for keeping quiet.
I was waiting for Sandra to talk.
Thank you for keeping quiet and saying, I could see you to listen today. So I want to tell you about the joy of trading is that, so while this shows it's down, and it might end up as -2 or -1%, somebody's going to make 5%, but the market's going to show that it came down 1% overall today, and someone's going to make 5% because, you know, look at that, look at where it is right now. I'm just waiting for confirmation. I could see a little bit of confirmation right there. I'm just waiting for a bit more, okay? And that's the joy of this thing. So guys, if you can get into this at 15, as close as 15 BTBT, you will be able to ride this again, and you'll be able to eat some of the Cynthia's profit that she did not take. AHPI.
I'm happy to share.
Good. Okay, this hasn't, okay, this is still gonna go, but I'm definitely looking at this at a 14 entry. AHPI. Oh, Cynthia, you kept quiet there. You punished me. Well done. AHPI. This is on a sideways movement action. Win some, lose some, yeah, but want to win more, okay? I was actually, you know, I felt good when your first trade was, you know, hit a profit. So let's just try and hit you know, win more. FISCA, FSR, which you got open. FSI is still, okay. Now it's the time to just about get into FSR. Let's see. Cynthia, you got to say, who did I offend? Why does this guy always say Sandra? Right, guys, FSR, if he goes to 18, just looking at this, if it goes to 18, I can see a bit of a divergence here, and it will go to 18. I don't see him making a lot from this, though. It will be a swing, guys, FSR. Riots, like I said, Riots, if you know, Riots is definitely going now. Riots is going to move, and it might just move a bit more. So Riots is one, definitely. If you want to get in now, 30 to 38, tops for me. FSR 18, it's just paused now. So the morning guys want to take their profit and move. FLGC, remember some people just came out of 14. FELC has a catalyst, positive interim results on sickle cell. Ooh, 1268, FLGC, FULC. Okay, Fulcrum, that was a good one. Well done, Kamal. You're going 1268. This is RAN, Kamal. Okay, I saw this actually. I just didn't pay too much attention to it. This is actually dumping now, so it's okay. We'll get in later. That's okay. FULC. Just waiting for this. This is, so I can't see it confirmed. Yes, this is going up, but I need to see it confirmed. Okay, this is actually still good. Yeah. So right, FULC seems good. Yeah, 14. This is going to move a little bit more. Wow. Right, I'm waiting for 14 here. But there's a lot of buyers here. This waiting for 14.
Should 14 be our entry?
I'm waiting for 14 as an entry, yes. 14. It's very hard to find it just because, yeah, no, we're gonna get 14. We'll get 14. Once you get 14, give it patience. Scale in, guys. Don't rush in. Okay, just wait now. We've got 14. Wait. Yeah, say wait. Hang on, wait. I haven't seen a confirmed uptrend yet, so wait. Don't jump in, wait. There's no strength. All I can see is dump. This is dumping, guys. Longer term. Okay, it is sideways. Just give it a second. Just wait. Spend a lot of time on this thing. I need to look at the order flow. So this is very much sideways right now. Until we get something, there's no point getting in. So just be patient. Just gonna add to people's profit. Yeah, so on the shorter time, this is still dumping. And you can see here as well, yeah. It's gonna go below 14 now, so just give it a minute. Make way. Okay, it's still dumping. I can't see anything confirmed. I can't see a confirmation, a real confirmation yet. Okay, if he hits 14, scale in. Okay, so this is more confirmation now that he wants to move up. So 14.1, it's a great point to start scaling in now. Or 14, yeah. If it gets to 14, just be ready for a bit of sideways action. It's not a great move for me anyway. It's not a really great move for me. It might just shoot up now, but I can't see it right yet. Okay, again, wait. Don't let these numbers fool you guys. Some of you are looking at these numbers going up. Just be patient. Be patient. Yeah, FOGC dump below 14. I saw that. Yeah. Forget the price. Look at the setup. Like I said, don't look at these numbers. Look at the setup. That's the setup. Forget the price. Forget the price. People will take some profit. Forget the price. A bit of a sideways action for now. Okay, exited at 14.2, well done. Just wait, guys, wait. You got to trade with a bit of an edge. So now it's telling you it's going to go down. And that's all I can see. Before he wasn't confirming, but now it's confirmed that he wants to go down. Okay. So wait. Right. Not going to keep monitoring this. When it confirms, I'll see. But right now, it's a bit sideways. It's not really confirmed. Okay. So, but overall, I think overall it wants to move. So if it goes to 14, deep in by all means, guys. Deep in. I can't find it all. Okay. But yeah, it's one of the biggest one. AHPI is another big one as well. Again, this is a bit of sideways action by the sideways action. So most of these things are mostly going to be sideways today for now anyway. It's at that time of the market. Don't look at stop looking at the price. Okay, this is right now. It's just a direction. And I'm just trying to see, let me just look at the, yeah. So this is just people trying to get, so there's a little reversal here. There's a little reversal here. There's some reversal here, but it needs to confirm. But right now, this is not strong enough. This is not strong enough. So we just need to be patient. Yeah, don't want people end up carrying bags. Riots, well, so that's that volatility at play. So just wait. If there's nothing, there's nothing, but don't get in with bags, please. Okay, can't remember what price is. Did I just say wait? I did say wait, didn't I? Right. Okay. FULC now. There's gonna be gentle tick, and yeah, the way is up now, guys. There is a confirmation right here. So the way is up. So if you get, you get 3 ones. So FULC, guys, if you want to get in, of course, 15.2 if you can. All right, or 15. Sticking below that, but it's hard to give a fixed number. So this is what I can see. It looks good, even though he's made a bit of a run, but it doesn't look tired. Yeah, so 15 is good if you want to get in. I think Kamal is out already, so well done. What else? Okay, AHPI is still dumping. FULC 15 will be okay. Where are we? Mara dipped a little bit as well today. BTBT, it's time now, guys. BTBT, I'm thinking it's time. Cynthia, and Sandra, do they sound alike, the 2 names? Maybe they're both S. So guys, BTBT day trade 15.8 seems good. I was going to say 15.3, but I was just waiting for a confirmation, and should be able to ride. This just give us a minute. Okay, so let's just get one more candle. Like, Madame Tia loves the candles. One more candle, and then we can have a party. Okay. Not yet. That's not the right candle. Not yet. We need to have a proper candle before we can have a party. Still at 15.8. Wait. Sometimes you have to gain higher. If you say, you know what, I trust this is going to go up, I feel this is going to go up, then that's fine. Okay, it doesn't look like there's a lot of people in the market right now. FULC hasn't moved. 15 is a tired zone, which I think is a good point to try scaling in. Yeah. BTBT hasn't yet, but wait. Okay, I'm just going to go to the other screen. Bear with me, please. See, just wondering why the stocks are closing negative. Sorry, give me a second. Okay, looks like CCL did very well, or did well today. That's a good one from the reopening stock. Okay. Just trying to see. VAX Arts, I think that needs to break 10. And if it breaks 10, it will move, it will do very well. Let's see. what I'm looking at. And guys, remember, you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to trade every day. Be careful. Hey, we have been pay here. Is that the same pay? Right. Trying to see what we have. Yeah, Triple D's moved very well. FSR has moved very well. I'm looking at 18 for that one. I think it's going to swing trade. It's still going to do make a bit of a movement. Array Technology, ARRY. Just looking at what's moving. ASC have actually been here before. Guys, BTBT, get in. All right, let me go and get some to eat. I think that's more than a good one. BTBT, I'll leave you with. Sub 16, good for day trade. Again, that's just me. It's, you know, now I can see my confirmation. I'm happy. And yeah, all right. So I want to go get some food. I'm actually starving. Sorry, it's a short one today, but I'm actually very hungry. Do you have any questions, guys, before I run? No, everyone's quiet.
Do you think FLGC has friends?
FLGC, do I think it's going to come back? Is that the question?
Yes, thank you.
What did you say?
Yes, I want to know if it has friends to...
If he has, I haven't seen the confirmation yet.
Yeah.
It's not. It's showing that there's the strength. It's showing the strength, but he hasn't. Yeah, definitely shows there's a strength, but it's still very slow. People are just warming up to it, and the market needs to confirm it before it eventually moves. And I think it will move, but patience in, patience out. That's what we want to do. So, but right now it might just need to shed off a little bit before the market confirms anything, but the market hasn't confirmed anything yet, but I think it will. But again, we need to see this. We need to see the evidence. If you jump in now, I think it doesn't look like it's dumping. It's more of a sideways action right now, and that's it.
What time interval do you use for your shot?
Great points. What?
What time interval do you use? Do you use 5 minutes or 15 minutes?
Oh, it varies. It depends. It depends on what I'm looking at. Yeah, I vary my time. This is 5 minutes right now, but I tend to change 15 and 30. But I do a lot more, but it does actually vary on, I think it depends on how long you want to look at it for. So sometimes you tend to use the time to zoom in, to zoom out, etc. And yeah, confirm a few other things. Eyeball test. But yeah, but I do vary 5, 15, 1, 30, even 1 day. I use all time intervals. I don't rely on one. Okay.
All right, thanks.
All right, guys, gotta go. Let me go eat some food. I'm actually starving for some reason. Bye-bye.